Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to make a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with the Xiaomi Mi 11. So starting from the display, the S21 Ultra is coming with 6.8 inch of dynamic AMOLED 2x of display with 120Hz of refresh rate on QHD plus resolution, HDR10 plus support, 1500 nits of peak brightness, 89.8% of screen to body ratio, and a Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the front. And the front is coming with a punch hole camera cutout which is coming with 40 megapixel of camera sensor. Along with that, an in-display fingerprint scanner is also present on the front of the device, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with 6.8 inch of AMOLED display which is coming with 120Hz of refresh rate on 1080p resolution, HDR10 plus support, and a 1500 nits of brightness. It has an advantage over the S21 Ultra in terms of screen to body ratio because it is coming with a 91.4% of screen to body ratio, whereas it is coming with 515 ppi of density, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The selfie camera in the Xiaomi Mi 11 is going to be of 20 megapixel. On the back of the device, we have quad camera setup in the S21 Ultra where we have a new 108 megapixel HM3 sensor, and it is coming with an optical image stabilization and laser autofocus support as well. There are going to be two telephoto lenses in which one is coming with 10 megapixel of periscopic zoom and 10 time of optical zoom, whereas the other one is going to be 10 megapixel of 3 time of optical zoom capabilities. 12 megapixel is going to be the ultra wide camera inside the device, and one of the important thing which the S21 Ultra camera sensor is coming, that all the lenses, even the selfie camera lens, is coming with a 4K video recording support, whereas the Mi 11 is coming with 108 megapixel HM2 sensor, and it is also supported by optical image stabilization, 13 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel of macro shooter on the back of device. Internally, the S21 Ultra is coming with Snapdragon 888 processor which is coming in US, China, and South Korea, whereas the GPU which is going to be coming is Adreno 660. Similar kind of processor is going to be seen in the Xiaomi Mi 11. In terms of operating system, we are going to see Android 11 with One UI 3.1 skin on top of Android 11, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with similar Android 11 with MIUI 12.5 skin on top of that. With that being said, three variants are launched for the S21 Ultra, in which 12 gigs of RAM for 128 and 256 gigs of internal storage, and 512 gigs of storage with a 16 gigs of RAM, and it is supported by UFS 3.1 storage. There is not going to be any support of SD card inside the S21 Ultra. And as far as Xiaomi Mi 11 storage is concerned, it's coming with 128 and 256 gigs of internal storage with 8 gigs of RAM, and 12 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of internal storage, and this storage is also based on UFS 3.1 with no SD card is supported. Finally, in terms of battery, the S21 Ultra is coming with 5000 mAh of battery capacity with fast charging support of 25 watt and a reverse wireless charging of 4.5 watt and wireless charging of 15 watt inside, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 11 is coming with 4600 mAh of battery capacity with a fast charging support of 55 watt and a fast wireless charging of 50 watt and reverse wireless charging of 10 watt inside. Anyhow, that is it in this video. Subscribe the channel and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.